Okay, I think we're live. Ito muna. Try muna natin to. Share muna natin. Ano naman, may mga viewers sa paano, no? Doon. Okay. Ano ba to? Dali lang, ha? Evening pala sa lahat. Kape. Kaya ma-share. Ba yan? Okay. Hmm. Replyan na lang natin sila isa-isa para naman yan. Sandali lang. Actually, nag-e-echo yung ano eh. Yung room ko kasi medyo closed masyado. Then nasa balcony kasi ako. Maingay din naririnig yung ano, mga tao sa labas. Pasensya na. And I will be reprimanding them in a while. Dali lang talaga. I think we've already shared it. And dali lang. I can't go online kasi kapag araw. Because you didn't know, I'm a Muslim and I'm observing the month of Ramadan, so I'm also fasting. You know, I can't go online during daytime right now. And I've been trying to go online during the evening as much as I can para naman update ko rin yung sarili ko with the current news and updates our agency. So, about it. I think okay. Let's begin. So, una, pasensya kasi may echo. Taga yung una kong ano. May echo kasi po, enclosed masyado yung room ko dito sa balcony. No. Yeah. Semi-balcony terrace. Whatever you call it. Kaya medyo may echo. But I'll try to speak less. Then I will be showing you the template I created. I believe we will be doing this for two parts. The first part is the design of the sheet mismo, yung where you will be encoding the SF2 data, and then we will create a generator for that. Kasi, as you all know, may mga, if you're going to follow, kung sadya talagang susundin mo yung instructions ng school form 2, na you will be shading it every week or every day shading ka, by the end of the month, I am pretty sure, I am 100% sure, magkakaproblema ka talaga pagbilang sa absences and late ng bata, yung tardy, hindi mo yun magbibilang. I'm pretty sure. Bakit po? Kasi yung shading ng absent ng morning is also the same representation of shading kapag late yung bata sa morning. The same goes with the afternoon. Kapag cutting classes yung bata, shade sa baba. Kapag late yung bata, shade sa taas. Kung full day yung session mo, morning and afternoon, kung absent yung bata sa umaga, shade sa baba. Kung present siya sa umaga, absent siya sa hapon, it all goes, it basically, it basically intertwines with one another. So the results pagdating, by the end of the month, you will only be counting the absences for the whole day, yung 1 day, X kasi yun. Pero by the end of the month, yung mga absences na umaga, absences sa hapon, you will have difficulties in determining if that was actually a late or tardiness or absent or cutting classes. Yun yung problema ng SF2. Yun yung hindi na-anticipate nung nag-design ng SF2 eh. Isa yan sa na ni-raise ko talaga when we created the school forms engineering team, second batch, kasi second batch ako, hindi ko sa first batch eh. Yung first batch, yun yung talaga ni-raise ko. How will you be able to determine that by the end of the month? Mahirapan ka. Whereas yung original na attendance sheet, yung if bata late, if ang bata absent during the time you are checking attendance, you just put an I, and then bigla siyang dumating kasi late pala siya, you just put a bar on the top, that will determine that the student is actually late. Kasi magiging tardy siya. Kapag during your attendance, I siya, ibig sabihin nun, absent siya. Tapos bigla kasi siya dumating, so T siya. Ganon yung attendance score, which was way more easier. Or na easier pa. Which was way easier than what we are using right now. Yun. However, the school form 2 right now, it's pretty much more efficient when it comes to the counting. Yun yung wala sa SF. Yun yung wala sa attendance sheet before. Kaya siya ni-revamp, ni-redesign, no? So, what if we'll just combine it? Previous easier way of checking attendance, and then generate it into the school form 2 template na meron sa school forms. Kapag ganun, wala. Tapos, wala ka ng problema. So, we will first design the attendance sheet, and then we will convert it into a school form 2 template. Yun yung part 2. Part 1 muna tayo. Kasi sa part 1, gusto ko rin kasi na lahat yung attendance sheet mo, automatic yung dates. Yun. Hindi ka na maglalagay ng date. Yun yung ginawa ko last time. Yesterday. So I created one already. I'm gonna show you. Wait ha. Pakita natin eh. May ginawa na akong template. Para makita nyo lang. Wala yung OBS ko. Yun. Ako rin kasi makita eh. Ayan. Yan. Ito yung ginawa ko kahapon. So, paano to siya? It's just kung makikita ninyo, I'll highlight to my mouse cursor pro ko. Yan. Kung makikita niyo, nilagay ko ng legend. A for absent, T for tardy, then E for enrolled kasi first day of attendance. Kung first day of attendance kasi dapat ilalagay mo E, di ba? O yun yung nakalagay sa SF2. And then if it's a holiday. Kung holiday siya, dapat walang klase, automatic hindi siya kabilang sa mga sa number of days to be counted for that particular month. So nilagyan ko ng August and September na. So August and September pa lang siya, yung nilagay ko dyan. Pero kung makikita nyo dito, automatic na yun lahat. I-unhide muna to ha. Let me unhide this first. Okay, mag-unhide ka. Yan. So nandyan na yan siya lahat. Hanggang sa pinakahuli na month, which is July. And ang nakaganda dito sa din ginawa ko, automatic yung dates niya. Yan actually is formula-based yan. Yan, formula-based yan siya. Yan, yung mga dates na yan. O, yan. Kasi May, yan yung mga dates ng May. Formula-based yan siya. So, maglalagay ka lang ng attendance one time, yun yung nilagay ko dito. Kasi ito yung first day of attendance. Kung babaguhin natin yan, gawin natin 06, wait, 06, 6, 1, 2022. Automatic din yan siya mag-update, oh. June. Oh. Then automatic din mag-change yung dates. That is actually, June 1 is actually Wednesday. Oh. So, yun. Ginawa natin siyang 12 months. So, magiging June to May na to dapat. June to May. Kasi for some reason, yung school year natin is actually 12 months ngayong taon. Oh, June to May na yan. O, ginawa na natin June to May. 12 months na talaga yung i-generate niya na months. Kasi for some reason, ewan ko kung bakit ganito si DepEd ngayon. For this school year, we are actually starting from August and we will end by July. That's actually 12 months. 12 freaking months. My goodness. Imagine that, 12 months. But yun nga, it's still 200 plus days kasi yun yung minimum number of days. Because we started in August and there are so many holidays that are being held up during the school year. Kaya yun siya naging 12 months yung ano natin ngayon, yung school year natin. Yan yung reason behind there. At balik natin, gawin natin 8/22/2022 kasi yan yung first day ng attendance natin for this school year. Hindi na yung nasa labas, my goodness, sorry. So, I'll start. First, gawa tayo nito. I-replicate natin to siya. So, I have a sheet here. Okay, kita nyo yan. I already have a sheet there. I have a sheet there already. This will be our replication of that that particular sheet we created. So let's start with creating a first day sheet. So gawin natin itong attendance, school form 2. School form 2 attendance template. School form 2 attendance template. Gawin natin siyang ganyan. And then, because I created up to AB yata yun eh. Pata hanggang AB. Magdagdag tayo ng dalawang column to the right. Oo nga pala, I'll show you pala sa feature nito kung bakit maganda to siya. Kaya yan, di ba? That's August to May. Di ba? August to May na yan siya. So, gumawa ko ng buttons dito. That's August and September pa lang. Hindi ko pa nilagyan ng other months. So, if you're going to check for September, you're just gonna click the button of September. So, tatakbo yung script na ginawa ko. And then, ang mangyayari yan, tatakpan niya lahat, itatago niya lahat ng mga sheets na hindi kailangan. And then, ilalabas niya yung September lang. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda! Oh, di ba? Gusto niyo malaman yan? And then, kunyari, ibang month na balik ka sa August. So, i-click mo lang yung August, automatic din tatakbo yung sheet. Tatanggal din na naman niya lahat. And then, ang ipapakita na lang niya, yan yung August lang. So, mawawala na yung September up to May. Oh, yan oh, August lang yan siya. O, di ba? Gusto niyo yan? Di ba? Ganda, no? So, anyway. So, balik tayo. Pakita natin to ulit. Balik tayo dito. So, ito yung natin eh. Kailangan natin ipakita siya from scratch. From scratch dapat. From the very beginning, ipapakita natin siya. I'm looking to the left side kasi nandito yung isang monitor ko. So, this is my main PC. My main laptop. Okay? So, we already have that in the sheet and then create it up to AB. First and foremost, we need to ano nga ba yun? Palilitan muna natin yung sizes ng ating ating cells. Yun yung una. Ito, palitan natin siya. Nandito sa dulo. Papalitan ko lang. I'll just resize it. Siguro mga 45. Okay na yan. 45. Para makita siya sa buo. Buo yung ba. Nakikita nyo. Hindi ako mag-scroll to the left, scroll to the right. And then I'll just gonna extend this a little bit. Kunwari, nandito yung mga pangalan ng mga bata. And then dito ko ilalagay yung date. So ilalagay natin yung date. So that's August 22, 2022. And we'll just format it properly. Let's format it number custom date. Puro hanap tayo dito. Yun. Tara lang. Or should we use numbers? Should we use numbers? Should we? Maganda ka siguro kung number, no? Hindi na lang. Sige. Names na lang. Names. Where's that? Oh, ito. It, and then we're just gonna hit on apply. Yan. So that's August 22, 2022. But of course, you can still manipulate it. Papalitan mo yan siya. Pwede mo siya palitan ng number 12/1/2022. Just say go. Bigay natin sa ano. Balik natin sa August 22, 2022. Around the 6th row, doon ako nagsimula sa month. Ano, bakit? Kasi po, naglagay ako dito ng mga legends. Ang first legend na nilagay ko dyan is first legend dito sa second row. Nilagay ko sa second row. Bakit po sa second row? Kasi tatakpan ko yung row 1 eh. Plano ko kasi i-hide yung row 1. But you may or may not do that. So I'm just gonna format this to align to the right. And then zoom ko. Sige, zoom po natin. Ano? So, zoom natin. Ano ba ito i-zoom? Ayan. Oh, sige. Yan. So, dito ko ilalagay yung date. Legend. Yung legend niya. Yung legend na ginagamit natin. So, una is A for absent. I'm gonna bold this. Ano ba yun? Control B. A for absent. Ayan. And then, I also had E. Was P. Yeah. Let's bold that one. RD. Then, line natin. Align to the left. Yan. And then we also had E for enrolled. I-italicized na yan. Italicized. Enrolled. First day of attendance. Okay. And yung first day of attendance niya. And then, last one for holiday. Bakit ko po nilagyan ng holiday? The reason behind there is, there are instances na dapat pong makilala ng ating template if that particular day is holiday. So, dapat hindi niya bibilangan yun as being present. Kasi hindi na po siya counted sa total number of days per month, di ba? So, there's no use on leaving it blank. So, kailangan niya lumabas as holiday. Okay? So, nalagay natin dito yung legend. Align right din natin ito. So, I'm gonna call this legend. Wait. This is line. Legend. And yan, naka-italize na. And then, ang ginawa ko po, nilagyan ko po siya ng tawag nito, ng shading. Yan, nilagyan ko siya ng shading. And then, I also changed its, to white. Yan po yung nangyari doon. Okay? Now we're done with that. The next thing we're going to do is to design the template. So, the first things first, we have to create the month. So, the first month is August. So, lalagyan natin dito August. Lakihin natin ng konti. Siguro mga 20. Size 20. And then, we're going to hold it. Oh, yan. August. And then, sa month ng August, kailangan natin ilagay yung tawag nito, mga dates. So, dito yung mga date. Palagyan natin date 1. Lagyan natin ito 2, 3, etc. I'll need to have, yun yung yun. 24, 25. Yan po, 25. Bakit po 25 cells? There are 25, nilagay ko po 25 cells kasi po, there are possibly 5 weeks in a particular month. Ano naging 5 weeks? Kasi hindi naman kasi usually nagsisimula sa Monday yung unang araw ng isang buwan. So, it doesn't necessarily imply na nandito yung first day. So, kung hindi nagsisimula dyan yung day 1, maaaring nagsimula dito sa Thursday, that would also imply na yung end of the month niya, dun sa ika-21st magtatapos or sa ika-22nd magtatapos. Ganun yung ano eh. So kaya siya 25 cells. So we're just gonna put on the days naman dito. Monday, this is gonna be Tuesday, gonna be Wednesday, gonna Thursday, and Friday. We're gonna bold that one, center it, and copy that one, and paste it, and I'm gonna highlight everything na naman para mas madali yung ano. Yan. Medyo ano ko eh. Medyo old school ako eh. Ako yung masyadong maraming formula. And then pagdating sa huli, magkakakomplikado rin pala. It's gonna be useless. So, after that, we're gonna put on the names. Names. Of course, the names. Student names. Phoenix ko po siya dito. Yan. Sinenter ko po yan siya dyan. And then, align to the top, middle. Then, I'm gonna bold it. And siguro gagawin ko itong 14. Yan. Bakit ko po siya merge? I merged it kasi wala po siyang function na the same with Excel, yung center alignment. Wala po yun siya sa multiple cells, yung center alignment, wala po siya sa Google Sheets. So, kailangan mo talaga siyang i-merge. And then, I wrote AM dito, AM and PM. Kasi po, it doesn't necessarily imply na kasi emergency session kayo, umaga, morning. O kung umaga, yung umaga nyo, whole day lang sa umaga yung klase ninyo kasi half day lang, emergency session. So you're still going to divide that whole session in half. Ganun po kasi yung ano, yung SF2. It's not designed necessarily for emergency sessions. So yung whole day po yung ano niya, kinuha niya. Okay. And then, we're gonna go with, ano bang kasunod dito? Ano bang kasunod na nilagay, ginawa ko? Let me look at my ano muna. Ano ba yung ginawa ko last time? Following that, formula. Okay, formula na tayo. So what I did was to call out the days. So what I did was ito, kinuha ko to ganyan. But I changed its format into month lang. So kung wala yung button na yun sa inyo, you're just gonna go here, number, and then custom date and time, and then gagawa ka ng pipili ka, kunyari ito kukunin mo, you're just gonna remove that, delete mo lang yan siya. Yan, magiging month lang yan siya. Okay? So that will be the result you're gonna apply. So yes, that is already August. We're gonna left align that again. Para po, ang i-call out ng i-call out ng sheet natin will always be referring to the first day of attendance. Ito yun siya. So makikita nyo dyan. No? That will be the first day of attendance. It will always call out to that particular month. Yun po yung niya dyan. Tawag nito. Yan po ang magiging, what they call this? Yan po ang magiging niya. Reference. Excel reference. Yes. So Monday. I created a formula kasi nga po siya it's automated dapat yung dates. I created a formula. The first formula that I created is to call out the first day of that particular day of attendance. So I'm gonna call that out by saying equals weekday and then open parentheses, call that out one. Call that out. Yan. So naging sinabi niya that it is actually 2. Ano pong ibig sabihin nito 2? Tanggalin ko muna to ha, para hindi po tayo maguluhan. So ano po ibig sabihin ng 2? Ibig sabihin po ng 2, it is the second day of the week. Monday is actually the second day of the week. Kasi nagsisimula po siya sa Sunday, yun yung 1, Monday 2, Tuesday 3, and so on and so forth. So the last day is 7, which is Saturday. So kaya po niya sinabi ng 2. So if, ang ano nito is, if the date here is a Monday, which is 2, it should show that particular date. If it's not, then it should not show anything. Ulitin ko po, kung ang first day of enrollment, or first day of attendance, which is this one, if ang first day na yan po, if August 22 is a Monday, it should show here in our cell. If it is not a Monday, meaning hindi siya 2, if it's not a Monday, it should return to blank. Yun po yung condition niya. Yun po dapat ang magiging for argument natin. So we're gonna edit that one, and we're gonna put a conditional statement there. So that's if that is equal to 2, which is actually true, then give me A1. But if it is not a Monday or 2, it should give me a blank. Yan. Ano yan, sir? Ba't naging ganyan yan? Kasi po, kung hihilain natin yan siya dyan, it will call out the whole month, whole name of the month. That is August 22, 2022. So, ano yun? Let's go back. So, we're gonna format that one and then change it to a particular day lang. Yan, papalitan natin yan dyan. And then, we're gonna call out as a day. Yan o day. Kung wala po yan siya sa inyo, click this one, and then delete the year, delete the comma, and then go to the month, and delete that as well. Hindi na delete yung comma. And then, that will be the formatting of your, pwede kang pumili dyan kung without 0 or merong 0. So, para pantay, kasi may pagka-OCD po ako kasi 10 is 2 digits. So, meaning dapat 2 digits din yung mga single digits ko. So, kaya po David leading with 0 ang pinili ko. And then they apply. Kaya po maging 22 yan. So, what if we're going to call out the second Tuesday naman? We're gonna follow the same argument. But this time around, yung argument ng day 2, itong Tuesday, will be a little different. First argument niya is kailangan niya malaman if ito is equal to 3, which is Tuesday or the weekday of Tuesday. So kunin mo natin yun. Itong same na argument ito, gayahin natin yan. Gayahin na lang natin to, ha? Para hindi tayo magulo masyado. Lagay natin yan siya dito. Of course, this is saying that it is 2, which is Monday. Papalit mo siya ng 3 for Tuesday. Then press enter. So, ilalabas blank. Kasi po, hindi naman talaga ito sa Tuesday, kaya blank. Pero, dapat, ang lalabas kasi dito, 23, kasi 22 ito dito. So, dapat gagawa na naman tayo ng isang condition that will look, or that will refer to the day of Monday. So, yun yung lalagyan natin ng ang dagdagan natin siya. So, if this one, which is C7, okay, if C7 is not equal to blank, kung hindi siya blanco daw, lagyan mo siya ng C7 plus 1. Kasi hindi naman talaga blanco yung yung C7, di ba? Kasi may 22 nga. Pero, kung blanco siya, ibig sabihin nun, kung blanco siya, dapat titingnan niya kung yung nasa taas ay Monday ba or Tuesday ba. And then after that, ipapakita niya yun. Or hindi, then it should always result to blank. And then press enter. O yun, naging 23 na. The same argument will follow for Wednesday, but papalitan lang natin ng itong 3, papalitan natin siya ng 4. Then for Thursday, papalitan siya ng 5. And then for Friday, papalitan siya ng 6. So, pwede natin siya i-run papunta dyan. Run natin papunta dyan. Pero, pag ipapatakbo natin siya, i-forward natin ito papunta dito sa Friday, dapat yung reference cell na iwan, nakalock. Kasi it will still refer to that same. So, papalitan, ilalock natin to siya. We're going to lock that one. We're gonna lock that one, and then enter. Then, we're gonna run this up to Friday. Okay. Wala. So, naging 26 na siya. So, what if, how about yung Monday naman? Paano naman yung Monday, sir? Yung susunod niya. The next Monday, itong Monday na ito, is a little bit different. When we say a little bit different, it means may 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 konting condition siya na kailangan natin patakbuhin. Kasi nga nagsimula tayo sa 22 eh. So that's the almost the last week of the month of August. So kung paano kung umabot ka lang sa dulo ng buwan? O paano siya magpa-plus? Kailangan magpa-plus ka ulit. Kaya magiging September na yung date. August, September, kasunod. Tingnan natin ha. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So there's 2 days more. So ang hanapin natin yung ikaka-Monday. So that's 3 days more. So following that basic logic equals plus 3. So that's 29. That's Monday. Which is correct. Pero paano nga if ito magiging ganyan lang as 1. Diba? Tatakbo natin hanggang Friday. Oh. So August has 31 days. O paano to? If August, September 1 na yan, dapat hindi na yan sa lalabas dyan. So dapat may argument na naman tayo or a condition that will determine if that is the same month it is looking up. So kaya nilagyan ko to ng argument dito. Lalagyan ko siya ng argument. Ang first argument na ilalagay ko is if G7 plus 3. O yan. That's the same argument. If G7 plus 3. No. O nga. If the month of G7 plus 3, o ang month daw nitong result ng G7 plus 3 is equal to the month of A1. Bakit A1? Yun yung 1 eh. August eh. Lock natin itong A1 para always tayong, if they are still in the same month, then give me G7 plus 3. But if it is not the same month, then give me a blank. Yun yung argument natin. So, press natin yung enter. So, that's 29. O, paano to? Ganun pa rin. We're gonna follow on if the month of H7 plus 1 is equal to the month of A1. Lock natin to. Then give me H7 plus 1. But if it is not, then give me a blank. Yun. Ano nangyari dun? Oh, yun. So, tatanggal natin to. I-delete natin to, ha? So, it's already functioning. Try natin sa Wednesday. Okay. Ano to ngayon? Thursday. Dapat hindi to lalabas. Dapat hindi lalabas ng September 1 dito. Blank na siya. Friday, Monday, then blank na rin siya. Di ba? Yun. So, paano yung mga susunod yan, sir? Balik, kopyahin mo lang to hanggang dyan. Kopyahin mo to, lagay mo dyan. Monday. Actually, basically, kopyahin mo na lang to hanggang dyan eh. Lagay mo yan dyan. And copy mo yan, lagay mo dito. Copy mo yan, lagay mo dito. And, tapos na. So, how are we going to test it? We're going to test it. Gawin natin June 1, 2022. Uy! Teka, may mali ako. It's not working. May mali. Dapat tatakbo to siya. Ayun niya tumakbo. Let me check. It's not 2. June 1, 2022 is... Ay, mali ako. Ay, ayun! Dapat 4 ito. 4. This should be 5. And this should be 6. Hindi ko pala na-change yung mga yung mga dates. Yan. Okay. Double check. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay. And then we're gonna format all of that into a number, and dates lang. Yan. Okay. See? It works. Let's change it. July. 07. Lagyan natin 15. Nagsimula yung klase. 15. It's a Friday. Yun. So, dynamic na po yung attendance mo. So, we were going to follow that same principle in creating a different month. Okay. Lagyan natin to dito. Gawin natin to 8/22, 2022. Yan. And then, we're gonna put on the names. Pagpalagay natin. Piyahin ko na lang itong Piyahin ko na lang itong ginawa ko mga names dito sa taas. Wait. Yung ginawa kong name kahapon, kokopyahin ko na lang muna. Okay? Para hindi na ako mag-type ulit ng mga names. Kasi nakakapagod din yun. Lagyan natin siya dito. Then, paste natin. Ay, ano ba yan? Yun. So, those are values. Values na yan siya. And then, yung mga colors na ginamit ko po sa kanya, lagyan ko yan siya ng mga color coding. What I did was, pinulayan ko lang po yung mga rows. But before I did that, before I created before I highlighted all of the rows, I created a drop-down list. Gumawa po ko ng drop-down list. So, data validation, click po sa data validation, and then I add a new rule, then drop-down. Ang ginamit ko po ay that would be A for absent, and then T for tardy, and then E for enrollment, and then H for holiday. Okay? Yan. Pero I changed down from range. Tama po yan. Advanced options po, ginawa ko po siyang reject input. Lagyan ko po siya dito. Choose appropriate values from the legend above the template. From above. Ganun na lang. And then, plain text po yung ginamit ko, hindi pa ako nag-drop down. Bakit? Kasi, pangit kasi yung drop down ng Google Spreadsheet. Napakalaki nung arrow niya. So, ginawa ko lang po siyang plain text. And then, I'm gonna post that one. And then, kinopya, habang pong naka-select yung cell na yan, I press shift on my keyboard. Shift po dito and then click sa Friday. Control R. Yan po. And then, to the last, this is the last kasi. Yan po. Hanggang pong dito. Control E. What did that do? Ano pong ginawa doon? So, Control R, papunta doon, naka-highlight lahat. Then sa baba po, Control D or down. Para pa saan po yun? Kasi po, kung maglalagay ako ng A dito, lalabas po yung A. Lagay ako ng E dito, ipili po yun siya. Kasi po, pag i-double click yan siya nila, automatic po nalalabas yung mga options. So, meaning, yun po yung mga options na pwede niyang gamitin. Kapag po, naglagay siya ng G dyan, i-enter niya, automatic lalabas po yung error niya. After that, so, lagay muna ako ng A. Yan po yung ginawa ko dun. Yan po yung nangyayari. And then, kinulayan ko lang po to sila. So, lagyan ko lang po yan ng kulay. Pinili ko yata noon is something like blue, ganyan. Kasi po ito, ginawa ko po yan siyang gray. This one na gray. And then, yung mga dates po, ginawan ko po siya ng mas darker na shade, which is this one. And then, I highlighted the color to white. And then bold, and then I also center aligned it. Center alignment po yan siya dyan. So, ganyan po yung nangyari. Now, we have to create another set of months. So, ginawa ko po dyan, ganito. Ayan ko muna siguro Kulayan natin. Kulayan natin. Ganito po katamad ganito po ko magkulay. Ganyan po ako magkulay. Manual po ako nagkukulay. Hindi ko po ginagamit yung yung alternate colors. Hindi ko po yung ginagamit. Wait. Mali pala ako. Wait pala to. Wait. Hindi ko po yung ginagamit yung alternate colors. Bakit po? Kasi I'm using 2 cells per name. Kaya po hindi siya pwede gamitan ng alternate colors. Yan po yung reason doon. And I like this one. Papunta dyan. Apo, madali. Yan. And check ko po kung marami pa ba akong kukulayan. Po yung ginagawa ko. I know bakit parang manual masyado yan, sir? Oo, manual talaga siya. Kasi mas gusto po yung ganito na monitor ko po yung results ng aking template. I'm not into automating everything talaga agad. Sa designing pa lang kasi ito eh. We're not yet in finalizing. Sa finalizing ako talaga nag-automate eh. So yan. Now ngayon, we're going to ito naka-merge. Merge na to kanina eh. Wala. Center. Yung merge. Okay. So, after that, we're going to highlight everything again. Para saan na naman po ito? Para po dito sa borders. Yan! Okay. Now we're done with August. We're going to create another template for September. Yung September medyo medyo a bit tricky. I'll explain later on. Tricky siya. So we're gonna paste it here. 2 cells below. Medyo a bit tricky siya kasi ang tawag nito, ano bang nangyari dun sa Naging tricky siya kasi po ang referencing niya is a bit different with the previous month. So kung makikita nyo dito, A66 yung reference niya, di ba? So that should actually give me the result of September. Yan dapat yung ibibigay niya. But because we just merely copy pasted with ano tawag dito? With the previous sheet or the previous month, kaya yan siya nagkaganyan. So paano natin siya papalitan? Papalitan natin to. Dapat magdagdag siya ng isa pang buwan. So from August yung kanina, dapat magkakaroon siya ng isang buwan. So ang formula po ng adding 1 month from the previous month is ganito. Equals ano ba yun? The date and the year of yung reference natin, which is A1, kasi yan yung first day of attendance. Yung year ng A1 and then the month of A1 plus 1. Yan po yung dadagyan natin ng plus 1, yung buwan niya. And then the day of A1. Reading ko po. Kasi nga yung formatting natin year, month, day, di ba? Ganun kasi yung formatting, yung English formatting. So, saan ba tayo magdadagdag? Magdadagdag po tayo ng plus 1 sa buwan. Dun sa buwan ng August, which is yun yung A1. So, yun yung pagdadagdagan ng plus 1. Yung year niya, yung day niya, we're not gonna do anything with that. Wala tayong paki doon. Ang may paki lang po tayo sa date. May paki lang po tayo sa month. Wala po tayong paki doon sa ibang ibang values niya if it's day or year. We don't really care about that. We just want to fetch the day. Ngayon, this is gonna be a bit tedious, believe me. Ito yung part na medyo mahirap i-explain. But we need to create an argument to identify the last day of the previous month, which is August 31. That's the one, which is a Wednesday. it should not reflect here on a Monday kasi naka-reflect siya on a Wednesday. Diba? So, dapat magsisimula yung next month, yung sisimula yung counting niya, hindi sa Monday, hindi siya Tuesday, hindi sa Wednesday, but it should start on a Thursday. So, yung September 1 is a Thursday. So, yun yung first na kailangan natin malaman. So, the argument there is a bit long, but I found it already kagabi after so many testing in playing. I'm gonna copy it na lang and then I'm gonna show it to you. Kasi ayoko nang kopyahin ng isa-isa tapos i-explain ng pa isa-isa din. Ito yung formula niyan. Okay? Delete natin yan. Actually, delete na lang muna natin ito lahat. Hanggang Friday, delete natin yan. Yan na natin yung Monday. Next Monday eh. Hide ka muna, be. So, we're on the Monday na cell. Gawin natin yung formula. Ako, napakahaba ng formula. Paklakihin natin ng konti. Yan po yung formula niya. If the weekday, yung weekday which is Monday is 2, Tuesday is 3, etc., etc. If the weekday that is represented under the last day of A1 is a work day, we are referring to the end of the month of that particular work day. The work day of the end of the month of the A1, which is August, is reflected in a 0, which is one digit or 2 digit. Then, magma-minus 1 tayo dun sa kanya. If all of the, kasi na-identify pa natin siya if it's a work day eh, yung last day ba. Kasi itong argument na to, yan siya, will identify if the last day of the month na kabilang sa work days, which is Monday to Friday, if the last day of the month of August is a working day, then it is also 2, meaning and if it is a Monday, then it should give us that particular result, which is this one. But, if it is not, then it should give us blank. Ulitin ko ito yung argument niya. Ina-identify nitong formula na ito, hanggang dyan muna ha, ina-identify niya yung September 1, which is the last day after, the last day of, or the first day of the month pala to. Ina-identify niya if the first day of the month of the current month, ayan pala yung argument, kalimutan ko, sorry. If the first day of this particular month of September is a Monday, which is equal to 2, kaya tayo naglagay ng weekday, then it should reflect that result, which is September 1. But if it is not, it should reflect nothing, or it should result into a blank. Yan po yung argument niya. Kasi naka-record naman po tayo dito sa YouTube, you can pause that and copy it, okay? Then press enter. Of course, it will not show anything kasi nga yung first day is not what they call this, is not a Monday. Ano nga pala yung that, what is that day actually? Hanapin muna natin. So, this is, kopyahin muna natin to. Lagyan natin siya sa Tuesday lang. Palitan natin itong 2, gawin natin 3. Kasi para sa Tuesday. 3. Ayan. Gawin natin itong 3. O hindi siya Tuesday. Ulitin natin. List natin siya. Gawin natin siyang 4 for Wednesday. Then gawin natin siyang 5 for Thursday. Okay. Gawin siyang 5. Ayun. So lumabas na sa 5. Paano to ngayon sa Friday? Gawin natin yung Friday. This is a 6. 6 yung Friday, di ba? O, nag-blank siya sa Friday. Bakit? Kasi we are still identifying the first day of the week. So, dapat sa Friday, magdadagdag na siya ng 1 dito. So, dapat magka-plus 1 na siya. Yun yung additional argument natin for the Tuesday. Hindi siya applicable sa Monday kasi yung Monday yung first day of the month nito eh. So, lagyan natin siya dito ng isa pang argument, which is if this one, yan, C 72, if C72 is equal to blank, then i-check niya yan. Tama ba? O, i-check niya yan, argument na yan. Pero, kung hindi siya blank, it should give us C72 plus 1. Kasi hindi siya blank, meaning may value siya. Enter. Wala. Ganun din ang gagawin natin dito. If D72 is equal to blank, then give me that argument. But if it is not blank, then D72 plus 1. We're going to do that the same thing here. If E72, CDE 72 is equal to blank, then give me that argument. If not, then E72 plus 1. Dito siya mag-i-effect. If F72 is equal to blank, give me that argument. But if it is not, then F72 plus 1. Yun. Okay na. O, di ba? Nakita nyo? Lumabas na yung 2. Medyo mahaba yung for argument natin, but it works. Bakit mahaba yung isa? Bakit mahaba ito masyado? So that's E72, C72, E, C, D, C, D, E, F. Double check ko lang para sigurado, ano? Hirap kasi magkamali na naman tayo eh. So here. So this argument, the next argument will not be looking for the month on A1. It should be looking at the month of, kasi hindi naman tayo August, September na. So dapat ititingnan niya itong month na ito. Tama ba? Itong month na ito ba? Ito ang month. Delete natin yan. Try ko muna. Oh, tama nga to. Okay, so we're gonna lock this one. Then we're gonna copy that one. Papalit natin yan dito. Yan. So, itatakbo natin hanggang yan sa Friday. Yan. Then, kokopyahin natin to siya. Ipipaste natin dito. And then, ipipaste na naman natin dito. And then, ipipaste na naman natin dito. Ayun. So, the last day of September is the 30th, which is actually Friday. So, if we're going to alter all of that again, we're gonna test it. Iwin natin siyang July. Okay? 06, July. June pala. 06, 15, 2022. So that's a Wednesday. Started on a Wednesday, ends on a Thursday, and it's June. So baba niyan, should be July. And it starts on a Friday because the last one started on a Thursday. Di ba? It works. So that's how it works. So we're gonna repeat the same process. We're going to repeat the same process again and again for the next month. So yun yung gagawin mo for July. So, next month naman, August, kokopyahin mo lang ito. Diba? Oo, yun yung kokopyahin mo lang yan siya. So, we're gonna be following the same argument. So, try natin. Kopyahin natin ito. Lagyan natin siya dyan. Kopyahin natin yan siya. Then, ipipaste mo yan siya dito. Kasi nga, A66 yung refer niya ulit. Hindi naman A66 eh. Ito kasi is referring to A1 of the month. So, dapat ang i-refer nito is papalitan na yan siya nitong at A71. Copy, paste, and A71. And then this one should not be looking at A66. A66 yung kanina. Yung kanina kasi yung hinawak natin A1 kasi yun siya, yung first day of the month, yung yung kasunod na buwan, yun yung tinitingnan niya kanina. Dapat supposedly hindi na yan siya yung buwan na titingnan niya. Ang titingnan niya na buwan should be following the ano, the previous month. So this one is, babalik ka dito, we are looking at, tuloy ako sa August pala. We're looking at A71. So, this 71, this is A136. Pa ba? A136. Oo, A136. So, papalitan natin to siya ng A, yan o, A1, A, A136. Copy that one. Lagay mo yan dyan. Same values should be put there. Sa first 5 days lang yan siya ginagawa. Yung pagpapalit. Kasi, hindi kasi fix yung number of cells na ginawa ko eh. Kaya siya kailangan palitan. So, ayun na. Meron na tayong August 1. August 1 is a Thursday. And then, of course, following here, it should not be looking at there. Yan. Ayun. Ito yung papalitan natin. G137. Ito, papalitan natin siya ng G1366. Gonna lock that one. Uy, bakit ayaw niya magbilang? G137, A13. If the month of G137, this one is equal to the month of A136. A136. Did I put correctly? They are not the same month. Eight. Ganito ako mag-double check eh. Ay, bakit mag-plus 3? Idiot. Idiot. Oo, tama. This 17 plus 3 is actually 5. Dapat 5. What is the, that's August 5. The month of August 5. Bakit number 5? Something wrong. Tingnan ko muna ha. Bali sa formula ko. Working. Kunin ko muna. Isa-isahin natin ha. Troubleshooting na naman ako. Ano ba naman to? Plus 3. 5. Month of, ay, ano ba yan? False month. Ba't siya naging August 5? Ah, naging September. Yan naging, okay. It did show September. Why did it show September? It did show September. That's the problem. Bakit siya nag-September? Hindi naman to September eh. Let me check muna nito. Baka may problema ako dito eh. Kaya po. Nakita ko na po. Yan po. A136, A166. Ayan. Dapat kasi, ito yung nandito. Yan. Ito, mga nakakalimutan. Yan. Okay. Bakit September pa rin ikaw? 137. 136. A136, A136, A137, A137, A1. Sure, September 5 ito. Yes, it is going at September 5. Kunin daw natin itong month, itong previous false month. Para malaman natin. Okay. It's September. It should be August. Kasi July ito, but August ito. It should not be September. It is reflecting September. Kaproblema ako. Kasi nilabas niya na date, hindi pala tama. Ano ba yan? Anong araw ba yung August 1? Double check natin. August 1 is... I think August 1 is not September. Not Thursday eh. Double check natin ha. Kakaroon ako. Ano ba yan? Kaproblema pa tuloy ako. August 1 is actually a Monday. Okay. So this is reflecting on what do you call this? It's reflecting on a Thursday on September. Yun yung nire-reflect niya, September. Kaya pala tayo nagkakaproblema dito. Okay. Double check ko muna yung coding ko dito sa kabila. Oo! Oo na. It should not be A136. It should be A71. Kasi yun yung July last month. Ay nako, A71 pala to. A71. Ako, sorry talaga. Oo, yan, July. Dapat July ka, hindi ka September ka, ano. Yun, see? Yun. Kita natin siya. Ano yun? That's A71. Oo, nagkamali ako. Yun. And then, ayun. E6, 7, 8 ang Saturday, Sunday, and then this should be all. Kita natin yan. And then, following the previous argument, bakit ito A136? Kita natin siya A136 August. Ito siya ipapalit. Yeah. And copy, paste, paste, paste. Yun. And same. Kasi natapos na tayo sa pangatlo, I'm pretty sure na magiging mas madali na to ngayon. August. September. Yeah, baby. September. Hindi September na siya. And then this one should be bakit nakalock pala nilock ko pala siya kanino doon sa ano. Ano ba yan? Nilock ko pala siya sa E136 kanina pinorward ko pala yun. Okay. Tagalin natin yung lock. Balik sa August. Inando ko yun ha. Sa August, tagalin natin itong lock. Please ka dyan. Para mawala yung, tagalin natin yung lock. August. So that's Monday to Friday. Copy, paste. Uy, yan sa'yo. Oo. It's moving forward. Yan pala yan dapat. Hmm? 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 Monday to Friday. Copy. Paste. 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 Okay. Now we're done with August. Here. Copy. Paste. Ayun! That's September. Then October. Then November. Then December. Just give I'm actually pasting na lang. January, February, March, April, and of course May. So May 1 is actually a Monday. Let's check. May 1, 2023. May 1, 2023 is a Monday. Yep, it's a Monday. Tama, di ba? So meaning, tama na yung mga coding natin. So, paano siya ngayon? Paano yung ginawa kong what do you call this? Paano yung ginawa kong app script? App script yun eh, yung button. Ganito yung button nun. Kuha muna ako ng ng drawing. Then, here, sana yung shapes. And then, I chose this one. Yun. Naka ko yan. Lagay ko dyan. Then, lagay natin June. June. Ayan. June. And then, I chose impact. Nalakyan ko lang to. Gawa ko tong 25. Then, pinalitan ko yung kulay niya. Ginawa kong green. Eh, hindi yan. Ano yun? Ito. Ginawa ko tong green. And center align. Then, I spacing. Then, gradient yung ginawa ko dito. Yung pinili ko. Yan. Save. Lagay ko yan siya dyan. Nalitan ko lang to ng konti. Yan siya. And then, ito, ulit. Control A, kopyahin siya. Save. Click ako dito, insert na naman ako ulit. Gawa ko na isa pang drawing. Lagay ko yan siya dyan. Paste ko lang. Gawa ko tong August. Okay. August. Save. And pinalitan ko lang yan. Yan. So, paano yung app script niya? Yung ginawa ko dito, nilagyan ko siya ng button. So, app script tayo. Punta tayo sa extensions. Extensions. Go to app script. So, tayo dyan. Ano ba itong app script? App scripts are the counterpart for the VBA codes that are being used in Google Spreadsheet. So, makikita nyo, meron na siyang function na nilagay dyan. Function, may function. Ayaw kung tawagin may function ito. Tawagin ko siyang SF2 attendance for July. Yan lang. Yan muna. Wala muna siyang Wala muna akong yung app script kasi siya may argument siya. Ginawan ko siya ng argument. Yung argument niya, ito kasi wala na tong Kung titingnan niyo dito sa original na ginawa ko, kita ko yung original ha. Ito yung original na ginawa ko. Dito kasi sa leftmost part, may nakalagay dyan, column A, B, and Y. Ang ginawa ko po dyan kasi is, basically, if ever yung mga names mayroong error, tulad nito kasi may mga error yung names, if ever yung mga names may error siya, it should reflect no. Yan. Pero kung wala siyang error, kasi name talaga siya, or blank, hindi siya blank, automatic lalabas yung Y, which is yes. Ito, fix kasi ito. Fix kasi ito siya na parts. Ayaw kong mawala ito. Row 1 to row 8. Ito siya na rows. From row 1 to row 8, tandaan nyo from row 1 to row 8, kasi header ito siya, ayaw ko siyang nawawala. Ayaw ko siyang maging absent. So, it should always be there, available. So, kaya yan siya nakalagay dyan. Itong row 1, nilagyan ko ng N or no, kasi ayaw ko siya makita. Kasi i-hide ko nga siya mamaya. Di ba? All existing all existing rows from 1 to 8 should always be yes, except for, or it should always be present or shown except for row 1. Then itong argument niya, ito yung ginamit ko na argument. Yan siya. If error A1, A9 is, if A9 daw, yung A9 is not empty, yung hindi siya, may laman siya, it should present to be no. If it's not, then it should be yes. Yung niya, argument niya. So, sumunod, it's the same formula. Kasi nga, 2 cells, 2 rows ang bawat pangalan. And then this one, naging A11 na, kasi iba na yung niya. Diba? So, how do I did that? So, ako dito, ito, nilagyan ko to ng N, yes, hanggang dito, yes, yan siya. Ang argument, magsisimula kasi dito, no? So, magsisimula yung argument. Your argument is equals if this one is empty and no or blank. That in yes. Yan yung niya, argument niya. So, after that, bigyan ko siya ng if error na argument, if error, then should always present to be a no. Yan yung ko sa kanya kanina. Yan yung parang argument based ever may error yung formula ko. And then I use this same formula for the next cell. Sa baba, same pa rin. Copy, paste, paste. Bakit hindi ko siya i-drag? Kasi po, again, 2 cells based siya. Dahil 2 cells based siya, ayaw kong mag-drag. 1, 2, 3. Konti na lang may iwan. Okay. Diba ito ganito? Yan. Yan. And yan. Then, row 69 and 70 should always be hidden. So, wala siyang laman. So, lagyan ko ng N. Because we have the same number of rows, same number of same number of rows and same number of students from the previous month, magdadagdag ka ng month, it will just add it up, no? Mga kung saan mo man siya gagawing reference. I used query here. Query. Kuha ko ng query. Lagay ko na lang dito, equals query. Ano itong query? Query is basically just getting everything from wherever source or range you are trying to take from. So from A6, which is AB6 pala, AB6. Ito siya, ito yung AB6 hanggang this is AB70 sa taas. AB70. Nakita nyo, highlight na niya. So, yan daw lahat. We will select all of it. Yan yung argument, yan yung formula niya. Yung asterisk meaning wala akong discrimination. I will just copy all of it. Yan siya. Pag i-press ko yan siya, enter, automatic lalabas na yun siya. Yan yun. Kinopya niya lahat. So, kukopyahin ko lang yan siya. Yan na cell lang. Yan lang na cell. Ang kukopyahin ko. Actually, ano ko lang to, ilock ko na lang ha. So, yan. Ito na yun. Yan. Itong formula na to, control down, pinakababa, paste. Control down, pinakababa, paste. Control down, pinakababa, paste. Control down. So, isang beses lang ako mag-copy sa kanya. Yan na. Yan na yung huling buwan. Pwede ko na ito tanggalin. Okay. So, this is wala na itong laman. Copy na. Down. Delete all of this. Delete. Wala naman siyang laman. Wala na paki doon. Ayun. So, mayroon akong argument dito, ano? Yung argument na yan, yung gagamitin ko dito sa script ko. So, script ko dito, ano yun? Yan. So, SF2 attendance for July, I don't know if you're familiar with AppScript. AppScript is JavaScript based. So, ito yung kopyahin, ito yung ano niya, kunin mo yung bar. Can you see it? Kikita niyo ba? Di ba itong ma-zoom? Teka, hangunahan. Try ko muna ma-zoom. Zoom ba to? Zoom it. Hindi ako sure kung mag-zoom. Ano ba ito i-zoom? Zoom. Yan. Kaya na siguro yan ano. Kikita na ba? I think that's enough. Bar or the variable that I will call out first the sheet. Yung sheet na spreadsheet app, which is I'm using Google Spreadsheet kasi. So get active spreadsheet. Ito. Okay, get active spreadsheet. Meaning, yung ginagamit ko na spreadsheet ngayon, get active sheet. Active sheet. Yan. Oops. So, yan yung first command ko. Hanapin daw niya yung active sheet. It will function on the active sheet that it will be placed, that this particular function is being placed. And I will call on that. The first argument is that I will always keep, yun yung show rows, I will always keep all of the rows hanggang sa pinakadulo. It should always be shown. Yung ano niya, last row. So dapat ang una daw niyang gagawin, ng app script ko, kung may naka-hidden na row or may naka-hide na row, ipapakita niya muna lahat. Yan yung first niyang gagawin. After that, bakit siya kailangan niyang gawin? Kasi kung meron ka multiple buttons, so meaning, kunyari, June, nakalabas yung June, yung July. So kung ipipress ko yung July, dapat yung function ng July, ipapakita niya muna lahat, yung hanggang sa May, tapos, meaning, lalabas yung July, and then, i-hide niya na naman lahat, except na lang sa July. Yung magiging ano niya. Yun yung magiging argument niya. So, kunin mo natin yung range. Yung range natin is get range. Ito yung, teka ha. So, from cell A, from column A to column AB. Okay. So, the range is from A1 to column AB. Yan yung range natin, no? Tapos, kunin natin yung last row, di ba? Yung last row. Yung sheet, yung sa taas, ito siya. Yan sa taas. Sheet that get. Bakit kukunin yung last row? The reason for that is, para hindi na natin isabihin kay AppScript kung ilang rows ba talaga yung meron sa sheet natin. So, kung magdadagdag ka ng rows, for some reason na hindi ko alam, kasi mas marami yung number of students mo. Yung number of students ko dito, konti lang kasi ito eh. Ilan ba to sila? Yan lang yung students ko. Yan lang sila. Oh. That is how many students did I place there? 30. Oh, meron lang akong 30 na students dyan. 15 boys or 15 girls. So, kunyari, meron kang 36. So, mas marami yung rows na gagamitin mo. So, kaya yun, sheet get last row. Yung last row na, ano niya, argument. And then, yung values. Ano ba yung mga values na kukunin natin? Yan, papakita natin yan siya mamaya. So, ito yung argument niya. Kunin daw natin yung values niya and yung sunod. Kasi nakuha na yung value, kunin natin yung number of rows. Kasi nga, hindi natin na-specify, di ba? Yung range ng number of rows. Ano ba yan? So, that's our introductory argument. So, magkakaroon tayo ng boolean. Boolean. I'm not sure if familiar kayo sa boolean. Sa Excel, tawag niyan boolean eh. Tapin mo na. Kami nag-message sa akin, sandali. Ay, nagtatanong na yung, tinatanong ako, ano daw yung kainin ko. Anyway, mamaya na yan. So, balik tayo dito. For every variable, that is, we call it as an integer or an integer. For every integer, such that it is 0, the integer that is 0, look at it na dapat yung rows, yung total number of rows should be successive. Diba yun? Sorry, successive. Yun yung susunod yan mga rows. Ano? And then, if, ito na yung argument. If I, yung integer natin is greater than 5, bakit greater than 5? Greater than 5. Kasi nga po, take tayo dito ha, magsisimula yung June sa row number 6, di ba? Magsimula siya sa row number 6. So, greater than 5. And then, also, ibig sabihin yan is up to the last. Ito yung last. 71. Tama ba? Oo. 70 yung last. Oo, pero 70 kasi naglagay tayo ng no dito eh. 70 yung last. So, plus 1 or greater than. Kasi nga, if I should be less than 71, kasi yun yung 70 eh. 70 lang tayo eh. I should be less than 71. Pa ba yung ino? Teka, review ko muna ha. It should be if the integer or the number of, if the row number is greater than 5, which is, tama ba? Less than 5. Oo, less than 5. Kasi nga yung less than 5, dapat naka-shown siya parati. And then 71, greater than 71, yung sunod niya. Tama. Is less than or equal to 107, 100. Ano hindi? Wait. Oo. Ay, hindi. Dapat 5 dito kasi hindi dapat always shown yung row 5. Dito yung 107. Teka. 71. Dito yung 71. Tapos, AB is row 27. AB is row 27. Yes. Yes, yung ano natin, di ba? So, it should show me that sheet that show rows. And not, of course, else, else it should be, ay, ano ba yung ginagawa ko? Oo, by error yan. Review ko muna ha. If lesson 5. Okay, save natin. Kaya, let's just test it. Ayun, may syntax error. line 9. May syntax error sa line 9. Okay. Bakit may syntax? Line 9 code G. Hindi ko na makita. Ako. Ano ba? Get active. Variable 0. Oo, yun. Ayun. Ih, pala. Kaya pala. Save. Ayun. Kopyahin natin ito. Typo error lang pala yun. Yun yung ilalagay natin ito sa July. Click mo yan siya. App script. Okay. And then, if this is the first time kasi nagagamitin natin ito, meron itong mga ano, yan, authorization. Just press continue. Then, of course, your account. Just press allow. You're gonna do that again. Click June. Wait for it to finish. And there's an error. And value is not defined. Bakit may error? Bakit may error? Details. Details. Values is not defined. Define ko yung value eh. Value is not. Yung hindi ko na-define. Oo. Wala to. Define ko yung value. Range nga yung get value eh. Ay, nako. Teka, saan ba yung ano ko? Original app script. Okay. Ah! Nakalimutan. Nakalimutan. Save. Save natin. Try this again. Yun. Yun! Not defined pa rin. Hindi niya na-hide. Bakit? Na-save ko na. 71. Tapos, ha? Tama eh. Ganyan yan eh. I-enter, it doesn't change the those value, those password, those arguments. Oh, hindi ko makuha saan ako nagkamali. Wait. Yung ano. Kita natin yung ano. Nakapagod ng troubleshoot. Nakapagod ng troubleshoot. Ayun! Ah! Eh, bakit? Bakit nakita yung July? Dapat nakatago si July. Okay, 70. Hide mo natin. 20. Tama. Ah, oo. Ano ba yung last? 70? 70 ba? Ato 6. Natin lahat. Running script. Check. Yun! Last bottom, last cell pala, 69. Okay, so how about August? August, you're going to say, use the same argument with August. Same pa rin siya. Ito pa rin yung gagamitin mo. Unhide mo na natin siya, ha? Unhide mo muna yan sa lahat. Wala mo na kay August. Yun sa June. July dapat to pala. Bakit August? Kita natin to. Should be July. July. June nga eh. Tapos August. Yan. July. For July, we're gonna be using the same script. Ayun mo natin to. Yan. Ayun mo na yan sa lahat. Is mo yan sa baba. Palitan mo to siya ng ito tinawag na July yun. June yun eh. So, June dapat. Ayan. Yung June. Happy. Save muna natin, be. So, natin to siya. Line script. Ganyan. So, line script. Saan July. So, tayo kay July. So, yung July. Pero, papalitan natin siya. Instead na ang variables natin 5 and 69, magiging ano siya from the beginning of the first cell ng July, which is 21. So magiging 20 kasi ng 71 dapat lalabas siya 20 as well. And then the last row for July is 133. Tama ba? Kasi nga dun sa dun is 9 yung June eh. Yung last row na blank, 134. Should be 134. You save that one. So that one go here. So let's test first June. So, gawin mo natin si June. Yun yung ginawa natin kanina. Yan. Then if you click on July, teka, hindi mo nakita pa rin si June. Ba't nawala ko si June? Oo. Okay. May additional argument pala to. Nakalimutan ko. Kopyahin ko na lang yung argument niya. Saan ba yung argument niyan? Kunin ko na lang dun sa ginawa kong ano. So, 70 and 134 yung values natin. Basta yan yung values natin. Yan yung tandaan mo. Hindi ko na i-type siya ulit. Haba kasi. Yan yung ginawa kong argument niya. From there, 70, 134. This one. Oy! Yan. This one. Ay! $20, 134. Magiging 7, 130. Teka, bakit nga ba ako meron? Teka. 111. So, 110 kasi. One. Ay, tama? It should be one up higher eh. So it's one up higher. So 72. So one up higher. So one cell above 134, then one cell above. Or one row above. Natin. Go with June first. Yep, June showing. June lang ang lumalabas. July. Work with me, July. June. July. So, lumabas na naman si 136. 133. It should be 134. 133. Yung ilan? Hindi pala siya 134. Oo, 133. 133 pala. 133. That. I need to correct it kasi 133 yung nandito eh. July. Ayun. That's it. So that's gonna be the end of our first part for tonight. Part 2 will be tomorrow. Lalagay natin siya, i-incorporate natin siya sa SF2. Wherein all of the A's, AT, tardy, enrollment, and the holiday will be counted and generated to our online template. Ano? Yung gagawin natin for tomorrow. So if you have any questions, meron kayong hindi nakuha dito ngayon tonight, you can just post it in our comments down below, or you can just send us a message sa Facebook page natin, sa Integrated School Forms. And it's a bit late, 2 hours na na-spend natin for tonight. I'm really sorry. I was planning na 1 hour lang siya, pero naging 2 hours. But anyway, I hope you learned something tonight. Pasensya again sa ating ambience. Nag-echo siya. But I hope I've shown the idea how to create the SF2 attendance template. No, magiging automated siya. So this is our Weds of the Integrated School Forms. Wishing you good evening and see you again soon. Bye-bye.